Hello everyone, welcome back to another important current affairs MCQ session. This class is specially designed for all India competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Banking, UPSC, PSC, Police, Defense, and other government job examinations. So stay focused, listen carefully, and try to answer before hearing the correct answer. Let's start today's current affairs MCQ class. Question 1. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Defence Staff, CDS? The right answer is N.S. Raja Subramani. Question 2. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? The right answer is Ashok Kumar Lahiri. Question 3. Who received the Professor M.S. Swaminathan Award 2026? The right answer is Dr. C.H. Srinivasa Rao. Question 4. Who won the Laureate Sportsman of the Year Award 2026? The right answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Question 5. What is the name of India's third nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? The right answer is INS Aridman. Question 6. What is the name of India's first approved dengue vaccine? The right answer is Krenga. Question 7. Recently, which country left OPEC and OPEC Plus? The right answer is UAE. Question 8. Which state became the overall champion of Khelo India Tribal Games 2026? The right answer is Karnataka. Question 9. Phase 1 of Census 2027 started from which state? The right answer is 1st April 2026. Question 10. Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question 11. Who became the 24th Chief Minister of Bihar in 2026? The right answer is Samrat Chaudhary. Question 12. Who was appointed as the Brand Ambassador for Census 2027? The right answer is Sudarshan Patnaik. Question 13. Artemis 2 mission has been launched by which space agency? The right answer is NASA. Question 14. India's first prototype fast breeder reactor, PFBR, is located in which state? The right answer is Tamil Nadu. Question 15. Which ministry launched the Vishwa Sutra initiative? The right answer is Ministry of Textiles. Question 16. Under CAPF Act 2026, what percentage of DG posts are reserved for IPS officers? The right answer is 100%. Question 17. Arogya Van initiative was launched by which organization? The right answer is NHAI. Question 18. Who is the author of the book Tides of Time? The right answer is Sudhamati. Question 19. Uchral Nyamosa became the Prime Minister of which country? The right answer is Mongolia. Question 20. Min Aung Hlaing has become the President of which country? The right answer is Myanmar. Question 21. Jan Vishwas Amendment Bill 2026 is related to what? The right answer is decriminalization of minor offences. Question 22. Malvan belongs to which type of vessel? The right answer is ASW shallow watercraft. Question 23. INS Sanshodhak belongs to which project? The right answer is Survey Vessel Large Project. Question 24. INS Dunagiri belongs to which project? The right answer is Project 17A. Question 25. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code was originally enacted in which year? The right answer is 2016. Question 26. Which space agency launched the PACE mission to study oceans and atmosphere? The right answer is NASA. Question 27. When was the PM Vishwakarma scheme launched? The right answer is 2023. Question 28. Which bank became India's largest urban cooperative bank in FY 2025 to 26? The right answer is Saraswat Cooperative Bank. Question 29. Which organization developed the AI-powered Pragya system? The right answer is DRDO. Question 30. Which award is known as the Green Nobel Prize? The right answer is Goldman Environmental Prize. Question 31. India's first petroglyph conservation park will be established in which region? The right answer is Ladakh. Question 32. Which became India's first water-neutral railway depot? The right answer is Kankaria Railway Depot. Question 33. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana was launched in which year? The right answer is 2015. Question 34. Which country became India's top trading partner in FY 2025 to 26? The right answer is China. Question 35. How many total medals did India win at the 2026 Asian Wrestling Championships? The right answer is 17. Question 36. Ex-Dustalik 2026 has been conducted by India and which country? The right answer is Uzbekistan. Question 37. Asha Bhosle, who passed away recently, was famous for which field? The right answer is singing. Question 38. Exercise Cyclone 4 has been conducted by India and which country? The right answer is Egypt. Question 39. Who became the first quadruple amputee to win an international gold in para-archery? The right answer is Payal Nag. Question 40. Who became the first fast bowler to take 200 IPL wickets? The right answer is Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Question 41. Which port emerged as the top cargo handling port in India recently? The right answer is Deen Dayal Port Authority. Question 42. Which country ranks third in global renewable energy capacity? The right answer is India. Question 43. Who became the Vice Chief of Army Staff in 2026? The right answer is Dheeraj Seth. Question 44. India's first quantum computing facility has been launched in which city? The right answer is Amravati. Question 45. Exercise Prati 2026 will be held in which state? The right answer is Meghalaya. Question 46. When is World Malaria Day celebrated? The right answer is 25th April. Question 47. Where was the 2026 SCO Defense Ministers meeting held? The right answer is Bishkek. Question 48. World Liver Day is observed on which date? The right answer is 19th April. Question 49. Kati Bihu festival in Assam is celebrated by lighting a lamp in front of which plant? The right answer is Tulsi plant. Question 50. When is National Maritime Day celebrated? The right answer is 5th April. So friends, that's all for today's monthly current affairs MCQ session. I hope these important questions will help you in exams. Keep practicing daily to improve your exam preparation. If you found this class helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next important GK and current affairs class.